What's up, guys? Shadow Star here, and today, whoa, a person. Roly-poly! I got a roly-poly!
Good job.
I lost it! Found it!
I will blow it up.
Here, let's put it in there. Yay!
Is this what we do in our free time?
Yep. The animal cruelty people, don't worry, it's not an animal, it's a bug.
Going around town. Going around town.
Test subject.
Alright.
I didn't see it.
Me neither.
It's probably dead.
Yeah. Probably got scared. Well, guessing that it's not in there. It's somewhere around
some
here.
made up place like Canada.
I got a fart.
Who cares?
Nope, that's a poop.
Life, I will blow us all up and then we'll all be intoxicated.
Sure we're not already that?
Well, I don't.
It's possible. I got attacked by a bug.
So anyway, peoples.
Oh,
Hey, you remember how you wanted me to do the behind the scenes?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Is that what you just...
Yeah.
Okay. So this is kind of the behind the scenes, middle of the scenes. You know what we do on freaking water.
We blew a roly-poly out of a grenade. I'm going to stick all these flies in here and blow them all.
How many of those?
Keep getting attacked by bugs.
Stop a fly or I will eat you.
Let's go in there. It's really hot out. Look at that. You can't really see that. Yeah, you can. Got this little nice foresty, shady area that's still really hot, and you got all the way.
So I screwed up my
there.
arm. Okay, this guy did. I have Swiss cheese arm. It's the Swiss arm.
You can't really see it.
Yeah, it's the Swiss Army.
Oh, biscuits. I think someone drunk this water.
You got a fly on your arm.
Yeah, and I will eat it.
Just me and Landon over here. Just
Should we show them the fort we made? That now got destroyed.
We totally didn't.
Look at it.
It kind of got destroyed.
It's a hobo mating area. Check this out. Oh, that's not smart. I used to play this game called Logger, or like Log Run or something. It's where you're like some mountaineer guy. That was scary, man. I can't jump down things no more. I'm like, even if I didn't hit that thing, it'd still be...
Honey, them wolves past the Rhine Hill coming in.
Oh no, mine missed. Please. Boom! My bow and arrow shot.
And we're coming back over here.
Oh no!
You're bouncing on it, but I still don't really trust it.
Alright, how to fix the tripod. I don't know if I caught that. I just kind of turned right away.
Oh.
I did catch that.
Oh, that hurts.
Alright.
Okay. I don't know if I got him tripping, but I did get you being dumb.
Oh,
What did you do?
took the stick and then like F5, then did a F5 as a...
Alright, video.
Right in the backhead temple.
The backhead temple.
Like right here, man. Right there, now it's soft.
Oh.
Yeah, but like, more like right there. Ooh,
Like mold on your
I
head.
know.
Hold on.
Like hit me right there, bro. I like parts kind of soft now. Ooh, that hurts so bad.
Alright.
What did I do for YouTube? Oh wait, that wasn't even supposed to be for YouTube.
Yeah, we're
America!
Still, this is still a behind the scenes.
Yeah, I know.
It's at 5:35.
Nice, nice.
Okay, let's get on with the actual video.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm eating at.
All right. So, what's your plan, Mr. Russian?
I'm gonna blow us all up. Those vet kitties. My hand hurts.
Kendall, get over here.
No, Kendall.
Shut up. Get over here.
Kenny.
Cameraman.
Alright.
We are playing.
Psycho Granata.
I need water.
That's
Blow up these
dehydrated.
dumb bugs.
I don't know. Alright. Well, I got that.
Oh, now it works.
Oh.
Ah, my leg.
Alright, we have to test that again. So.
Okay, this time we're giving you a different angle. Because all you can see is him. Welcome to feet territory.
This.
Now both of my sides' heads hurt.
I am glad that I got that on camera.
See me over there to...
Okay, you have to save that video.
I know. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut it out, and since I have this video, I'm
Surprised
gonna...
you still had the video from the park.
From what part?
The beginning of the intro thing, the Savage Stuff Entertainment.
Oh, yeah.
Surprised you still had that.
Yeah, I just searched through, like, I was like, oh my gosh, I should do that. I would have one with Alex in there,
Well,
but, you know,
Alex would have broken that thing.
with him, but, you know,
yeah,
we
he probably
fired
would've
him.
broken it, but he would have asked if it can hold him.
Well, with all of us on it too, that
Could
probably would have
hold
broken it.
one.
Alright, let's listen.
I would have one with Galactus.
Alright, let me
in it
just
too, but,
adjust.
You know, I fired him. Tilt it down so it's showing feet.
Alright, good.
Yeah, like these two kicks. They're not new, but I'm not really wearing them.
Alright, cool.
My kicks are
Strike,
kicks.
strike Boganata.
Oh, they got me in the nipple.
As soon as I let go, it blew me up.
Should we be wearing safety glasses?
Yeah, it's a smart idea.
You know what,
I
kids? Whatever kids watching us that plays Airsoft and
Wear
wants one of
safety
these,
glasses.
wear safety glasses. They may look dumb and may make you... I broke it.
Job, idiot.
No, I know how to fix it, you jerk.
Wear safety glasses. If you don't, I don't care.
Yeah, that...
You're mad.
Yeah, you know.
I never took mine off.
I took mine off because they get blurry from my sweat. Because I'm turning into Galactus. Over information.
Just realized I was still pointing down, so.
That's
What?
your mic. My safety glasses. You have sunglasses.
There's some.
I don't want the whole world to be yellow. Although it is.
Well, where did yours go? You had them when we were doing the thing.
I put them down. And then you put them up.
I never took mine off.
Then Julian picked them up.
These are mine.
Well, someone picked them up.
Maybe Lily took them.
But she better not have.
Sherbird fur, I mean.
What does she need safety
I'm like, she
glasses
don't even
for?
watch our videos, so you know.
What does she even need safety glasses for? Getting a paper cut on her eye?
Well, sure. Maybe she secretly plays airsoft, so you know.
Ah, my butt. You see? I'm sticking out my butt.
Oh, maybe that one is yours. There you go.
We're good.
They have the same.
We
kind.
solved the case of the missing safety glasses.
Hey, you can see my face.
Children.
What does that mean? Wait, the
You've never read the Boxcar Children?
I don't read.
That makes sense.
I like freaking Nancy Drew.
The Boxcar Children are basically runaway orphans who solve mysteries.
Like they find a piece of paper. Whose paper is that?
Okay, they have like cases like the case of the haunted house or the case of the haunted
So basically
bell tower. All those.
So basically, my series, you know, the Ghost Hunters. Yeah, is that what they are?
Pretty much, yeah.
Ghost Hunters.
But some of their things are so stupid, like case of the ice cream sundae.
You don't think?
Seriously, that is a
Oh.
book that they wrote. That is a book in the series, the case of the ice cream sundae.
What did they do in it?
I was about to say.
And-
What about
Did they
the
have a tournament to see who gets the last ice cream?
Probably.
killed?
I
five
never
of the
read it.
children? It's like no, that. This is going down.
Only one can have the ice cream.
Even though it's not terrible enough that the others just have to watch him.
Stay hydrated.
Mic drop.
Or you know, drink whiskey and stuff if you're old enough, or if you can get your hands on it, do what you please.
You got your stuff.
Yeah.
You got the hookups.
If you got the hookups, then go straight ahead.
I say we use one of the thunder bangs.
Yay!
All right,
Fill with flowers.
Julio, you do this. I'll get mine set up.
Cool.
What am I doing with this? You just loaded it.
You can drop it, buddy.
Granado.
This.
Nice.
This is hot. That's hot.
Ooh, that's hot. I need to find that thing.
Alright.
Reminder, do that later.
Smoke bomber.
Which one?
Well, I'd reckon if we do the smoke, we should put flour in it.
That's a good point. Flashbang, not a smoke.
Still put flour in it.
We're gonna do this one first.
Okay.
Yeah, this is
I don't want to get the flour out.
flashbang.
Mm.
This smoke bomb.
See, we haven't even opened this.
Nice.
Um,
As you can see how professional we are, we brought bags out to the desert.
we've been here almost an hour now. Bugs.
It's a beautiful day. Humid. That is dead, my good sir. Fair enough.
We're gonna have to censor that.
Restricted.
Bugs. They're gonna. I want bugs. Okay, we got a couple different parts to it. Guess I also need the CO2.
This is so very tilted.
What? Oh, if I fall, I'm gonna. Oh.
Crippling nuts.
I'll get crippling depression.
I don't remember exactly how you
Power
do this.
of flex tape.
That is so unlevel.
Your airsoft video just became have fun in a desert.
Good enough.
Yeet.
Do any of my videos turn out the way they should be?
I have an idea. I have a great idea. Think it's an idea that is mine.
Realize how much editing I may have to do since I said some names and stuff.
Alright, you're gonna wanna see this.
Creepy.
Who?
I don't think that.
Galactiverse and cupboard for. Oh, wait.
I know Alex doesn't really care.
Oh, he doesn't?
Probably not.
He used to.
No.
Yes?
I can.
I want to try.
Don't worry, I got that.
Hey! That's just my idea.
I was actually going to try to put it there.
Hey, do you care if your name... Frick. Do you care if your name's on camera?
It's been on there before.
Good. All right.
I know she does.
You're welcome. I got up just for when you fell.
Nice.
I knew one of you were gonna get hurt, so I was there to film it. I am the great Gendorf.
Don't whack your head with that stick.
Oh, this is a good idea. Let's jump on the end.
Jump on what end?
Hey, I have to set this up.
Oh.
No, jump in the middle, actually.
In the middle?
Oh shit.
Alright, ready?
I'll just let that film for when you guys get injured. Timber. Alright, see what happens.
Okay.
This is what we do in our...
Hold on, let me get on. Hold on. Here, let me get a stick.
You will be the great Gendorf. Ready?
Oh.
I think this is the most fun
Ready?
we've had
You stand on
at the
that.
Hogbacks. Remember where you subscribe.
Yeah. What?
Barely did it.
Oh.
I don't trust that. Let's see if we can break this.
Okay.
Oh, let's pick the tire up and throw it down on it.
You got it, bud.
Let me put this that way.
That's a good question, bud. Okay.
You keep it for this.
Hi,
Hey,
this is
Hey,
Billy
do you
the
guys know how to
Exterminator
set one of
Remark.
these up?
What?
I don't really know what I'm doing here. Do you know how to set it up?
But YouTube does.
Never mind. My buddy has left me. Oh, no, he's coming back. Oh, no. Alright, you get back there and you start pushing it. Well, that's why we come up here.
Teamwork. Probably empty the water out. You gonna lift it on your head? Let's just lift it up.
Well, let's try a big rock. This rock.
Crawdads. Teamwork. Oh. Alright, let's.
Well, at least that didn't whack my head.
You two keep being idiots. I'm setting this
We're
up.
entertaining.
Hold on. We shall show you the Kenny cam now.
I'm setting stuff up.
Next, back to the idiot cam. Oh boy. 2? Oh wait, no.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Thought you were gonna get it wrong. Never mind.
Okay. My rock did more damage than that.
You can't get it that high.
This is a smaller rock. Probably easier to lift.
Frick.
Use the control harder.
That stick's trying to kill me. Well, it came back to land.
Get a rock down. I'll put it down there.
Get out of here, Buzz. Oh, biscuits.
Don't throw it yet. Here, let me get both rocks.
No, it's fine. Just
Both
leave it
rocks.
on
This rock can go over here. Yeah. Got both of my hands. this one. Ready? Set. Go. Okay.
Julian,
What?
do you have Wi-Fi?
No. More. Two, one.
No. Hey, Landon. What was that one Thunder Bang video that you watched?
No, no. I'm getting eaten.
With the kid and dad?
Guys, I made it.
But turns out these grenades are hard to set up. If you don't know what to do. Ah! Okay, go be idiots again.
Well, idiots need to rehydrate.
Ah.
Hydrate yourself.
I think I just ate a bug. Oh, no, I don't know if it got out.
So,
Delicious taste of tap water. It's hot out.
indeed.
This is the only one that'll work.
Getting shot in the funny bone, then having a sharp stick poke it does not feel good.
Alright, guess I'm doing this on my own.
Oh.
If we work together, we can figure it out.
This is where time lapse starts. Hold on 1 second. Look at this. We're out in the middle of nowhere in a desert, and this is what we find. Boy, he's looking to be found in Nathan. Guy, look at this. Up. Go get it. Get Discovery Channel on the phone.
We have found a new species of bird.
Or they found us.
Will we survive?
There's its natural predator. Where is it? There it is! It just passed right by us. See it, see it, see it, see it, watch it, watch it. I lost it. But it was like a foot away from us. Oh, there's one! That one looks like a normal bird. That one's obviously a female. What? Felt so good? Oh. Right? That felt so good. Shut up, yellow bird.
You're not interested.
Oh, that's that one. Do you got Discovery Channel on there? I want to see that yellow one. Okay, back to your regular showing. Oh,